In humans, posterior muscles are involved in arm and forearm flexion. The triceps brachii has its origin on the scapula and humerus with three separate heads and its insertion on the olecranon process of the ulna. It extends the forearm. In the posterior compartment of the forearm, there are a series of wrist and finger extensors in a superficial and deep layer. The wrist extensors include the extensor carpi radialis and extensor carpi ulnaris, and the finger extensors include the extensor digitorum and the extensor pollicis for the thumb. In cartilaginous fish, the dorsal muscles extend the fin, and in lungfish, these muscles are actually within the fin, moving joints within the fin. By the ancestral tetrapods, a triceps brachii had evolved in addition to superficial and deep wrist and finger extensors in the forearm, and these are evident today in the frog and salamander. This alligator demonstrates a typical amniote arm with a triceps brachii, which can extend the forearm, and wrist and finger extensors on the dorsal side of the forearm. This turtle demonstrates a triceps which extends the forearm, and then multiple wrist and finger extensors. And birds, having evolved from dinosaurs, use their wings to fly, but nevertheless possess the ancestral triceps brachii and wrist and finger extensors on the dorsal portions of their wings. The triceps brachii and multiple layers of wrist and finger extensors were present in early mammals, as in this opossum. And these same muscles, the triceps brachii extending the forearm, wrist and finger extensors in the forearm, these were present in early placental mammals, as evidenced here in this cat. Even though cats use their arms for quadrupedal locomotion, they possess homologous muscles to the arms of humans. The triceps brachii on the posterior of the upper arm and the wrist and finger extensors in the forearm are also present in the goat, in the sheep, in the cow, in the pig, and in the monkey, where they allow for dexterous hand and finger movement, as is typical of primates.